conversational news of the day. You're watching News Channel 10's Second Cup.
Well, we love our businesses in the Amarillo and the Texas Panhandle. Gary's Heating and Air Conditioning, they won a national award from the Better Business Bureau. It is the Torch Award for Business Ethics. And you competed, guys. I mean, this is national and international. First of all, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Thank you. I'm glad to see you. Yes.
Yeah.
So, Mitchell, I want to start with you. What is it? You guys, I see it in your commercials. I see it whenever y'all are around town. Y'all really do love people and love your customers.
Yeah, we just want to treat our customers like we want to be treated. You know, we want to be honest with them. We want to tell them. We want to help them out. So that's all that we're really looking to do.
Gary, tell me what it is. You've been in this business a long time, and I think
40 years.
Oh my gosh, really? Oh my God. Well, y'all look good. Y'all are looking good. What is it for you? What was the very first thing when you started in this business that set you apart from the rest?
I think one of the things that really set us apart is that we didn't try to cut any corners. We wanted to do things right the first time, and that creates a whole different set of circumstances, but we figured out ways to overcome that. And I would say the thing that championed our entire cause is our 100% satisfaction guarantee, and we mean it. Occasionally we do have to give people their entire money back because people make mistakes. We do. But that is the one thing that has really set us apart.
I love that. You know, Paula, she tells folks all the time, you let us know about our guys. You tell us about our service. Nobody does that anymore, Gary. That is important. I think that is really important. Don't be afraid to tell us. We want to know how great and if a mistake did happen.
And that is true. We do get a lot of feedback of people that's happy, but we can't make corrections. We can't make changes unless people tell us when we do fail, or just don't make them happy for little things or whatever. But we take everything very serious, and we work to make the changes.
Well, I'm very proud of y'all. It's just another reason you have to know why Amarillo is a great place for business owners like yourself. And thank you so much. Congratulations. We want to brag on you and tell everybody that's a big award, a big recognition. So congratulations.
Well, thank you.
A cut above the rest. So thank you. Thank you. Mitchell, thanks. You so much. Gary, thank you. Tell Paula hi.
Thank you. I'll do it.
And please come back and see us. We may need to talk to you about some good it's hard air conditioning and heating in the Texas Panhandle. That's
yes,
a hard job.
Anytime, we'd love to come back.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. Well, coming up, we're going to look at a dessert.